There's one specific car that I've always wanted to own. It's a car that many people consider one of the best cars that ever come out of Japan and a pinnacle of Japanese engineering. A car that was paired with arguably the best engine that Japan has ever came out with and still beats out many other competitors till this day. It is also one of the best sounding engines you would ever hear. I had to experience this car for myself, so I did it. I went out and bought a 2004 Lexus GS300 with the NA2JZ GE, and it is the perfect car all around. I ended up picking this car up about 2 hours away in LA, and it was in pretty good condition. There was minor paint damage on the car, as you guys can see, in the bumper and on the door. The driver's side is really the worst part of the car, and once we get near the headlights and stuff like that, you guys can see some body damage right there on the bumper. The headlights look pretty good, and the hood has a little bit of body damage. You guys can see there's rust near the door right there. And if you go ahead and go towards the back, the paint is fading a lot. A little bit of rust on the gas cap, but the passenger side looks perfect. One thing I was excited about was the wheels. They were still factory and they look perfect. As you guys can see, I mean, there's a bunch of codes on it right now. And even if I go ahead and start the car, the codes don't go away. There's still a check engine light, stuff like that. You got stuff going on right here. The windshield washer fluid is low. And I don't have my seatbelt right now, but it also has these right here. So if I turn that off, that light goes off, and then if I turn it back on, that light goes back on. I didn't know that about these cars. The oil level is pretty good. You guys can see it's above the fill mark a little bit. I mean, we might need to drain it a little bit, but the color is good. It smells good. Drove almost 2 hours to get here, and I mean, it drove flawless. I didn't feel any issues. Of course, it needs some new suspension. This is a 20-year-old car, but I mean, that's a given, and we're already going to be doing coils and stuff like that, so I really don't see the issue. I finally got the car home, and I was so impressed with how the car looked, I had to take a little video of it, but that was just the beginning. I finally have a GS300 sitting right in front of my garage, man, and this thing feels so good to have here. I popped the OBD2 scanner out and scanned for codes, and this is exactly what I got. I just started to run the codes right now, and it has a P0430 code right there. And then if we keep on going, P0133, and then 153, and then a 430. And then if we go to ABS right here, I don't think there's really any ABS codes. I mean, everything to do with the ABS system and all that is pretty good, but we're gonna figure out what's going on right here with this car. I'm pretty sure the battery is toast and the alternator. I haven't got a light on the dash yet, but we'll go ahead and see. This battery should be good. It is nowhere near expired, so I don't know what the issue could be. It may be a fuse, it may be the alternator. I don't know, but we're gonna dig deeper and see. GS300 popped the fuse, thought it was the alternator. The fuse was trash. It was burnt out. How long have we been doing this?
What time we got here? Like 12:30.
Should have seen how long it took to just take this out of the fuse box. It doesn't make any sense. We were over here trying to figure out why this was the way it was and stuff like that, then the other one. And then we went to the smoke shop, and then we went to AutoZone.
Yeah, fuck Robert DIY. Fuck that dude, bro. He fucking makes shitty ass videos.
We're on YouTube, man. I'm surprised we didn't use Reddit. Why is the battery like that? What are you doing? I don't know. Moment of truth. Well, let's see if it just starts.
Well, the battery was still.
Look. The battery. Look. Moment of truth, guys. Is it gonna start? Is everything tight?
Wait. Yeah,
is anything in the way of the engine?
Wait, we didn't connect this. Hold on, time out.
Wait, what happened?
Wait. We need to connect this.
Oh, you do? Oh. Oh shit. Oh wait. Dude, we would have been screwed, man. What are we doing?
Right back at fucking AutoZone.
Yeah, we would have been at AutoZone trying to find a fuse box. Just so I don't lose the keys, I'm gonna put them in the car. Keys right here. Ooh, who did that? Was that you? That's what I'm talking about. You don't got gorilla strength, dude? You couldn't do that?
Yeah. Oh, that shit hurt, huh? I know that shit hurted.
I fucking hate you so much.
Let me switch hands. No, I got it. I want to record POV, nigga. Wait. Oh, wait. Here, put that yellow piece down. Oh, yeah, just like that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. And then
Why
look.
did I just see smoke? I'm not even capping. I'm not even capping.
From what?
I don't know if it was dust or smoke. I'm not.
It was probably dust. It was coming from you.
You can keep touching it.
I don't give a fuck.
I am not touching it.
What's gonna happen? Where's the 10 mil at? You got the 10 mil? And that's what. Hey, let me. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's not tight. All right, that motherfucking tight. What else we need?
All right,
I think everything else is good. We got a new alternator. We don't have a new belt. Everything is tight. I didn't feel like buying a belt. Dude, that's a $20 belt, man. Yeah, that size tight. Oh, I seen it move. You didn't see it move? I seen the positive move. Oh, well. You can't even put it on there. Time to fire this bitch up. Wait a minute. Moment of truth. Let's see. What the fuck is that? I think that battery's dead. Yeah, we should change the battery. We got lights on. We got lights.
All right, start it.
Wait.
Start it.
Ooh.
And we'll go to the junk bag.
All the lights are off. Battery lights off. All that.
Well, literally mechanics.
Hey, we got it. We got to give it a little test. It's warm enough. It's good enough. What? Boom. Let's see. No codes are stored in module.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm talking about. When have you guys ever seen a GS that's 20 years old with no codes on it? All we had to do was replace a fuse. It's probably gonna blow again. Huh?
It was at 1100, not, or it was at 1200.
Yeah, it's warming up.
All right.
Because it was cold. I'm gonna stop it. This is moment of truth. Scott, what you think is gonna happen?
She gonna crank right back up, man.
What you think is gonna happen? All right, let's see.
Don't fake that off.
Let's see. Let's see what happens. Boom. Off. Try it again. Oh, it's dead. And this is how the car sits now. Till this day, I still haven't done anything to it. I got this car in September and it's really sad, and it's been my daily driver since the day I've gotten it. The only thing I've done is swap out the alternator, swap out some fuses, and this car has ran exactly how it is right now since the day that I changed all of that. It is not going to stay this way for long. I do want to do a couple things to it. I want to make it OEM plus. One of the things that I really want to do is fix up all of this paint right here. You guys can see right here, but something major on it is a little bit of rust spots on the door and stuff like that. I'm gonna get a cheap little paint job for this thing, and hopefully they make it OEM quality. I do want to get it ceramic coated. I do want to protect it for a very long time because this is my daily driver. I do have to get tint on the windshields, and I have to fix a couple more things. If we go ahead and look at this bumper right here, what's wrong with it? You guys can see it. It's messed up, and it has a little bit of paint damage on it, so I want to fix that. I also really do not like the exhaust this car has. The exhaust on this car right now, it sounds horrible. I know I make videos on it and say it's a good sounding exhaust, but it actually sounds like shit, and I really don't like it. I think the NA2JZ from factory has one of the worst sounding exhausts, and once you put different modifications like tips and mufflers and stuff on it, it ends up sounding even worse. Paint and body work is not a major modification in my eyes. I do want to put an OEM Plus body kit on it, and I do want to fix everything, but the major modifications that you guys want to hear is, what am I going to do with the 2JZ? I want to do an NAT setup. I want to make an NA engine into a turbo engine and make something like 400 to 500 horsepower. And I plan on doing all this on a budget. I know it's going to be pretty expensive like anything else is in 2025, but I'm pretty sure doing a 2JZ build is not going to break the bank like an LS, a Hemi, a Coyote would. And we're going to be able to make turbo noises with this thing. I mean, come on. It has a 2J and it's a 4-door. Look at that. Look at this side. This side looks a whole lot better than the other side does. The side profile of this car is amazing also. If we look right here, you guys can see the back door is a little bit longer than the front door. I like that. I don't know why. It just looks cool to me. And you guys can see the factory wheels are still on this thing. They look amazing. There's no curb rash, no nothing. And it still has the center hub on it like that. Look, that's amazing. You guys like that? We are going to put coilover on this thing. We're going to do brakes. We're going to do a whole bunch of exhaust modifications because, like I said, I don't like it. It sounds like a fart can. We're going to do the rear bumper, stuff like that. We're going to put 10. This is going to be a nice little build. So I hope you guys want to watch some 2JZ GS300 content. I was going to get a 1UZ GS, but I thought, hey, why not get some turbo noises with this thing? It's going to sound amazing. Now, the interior for this thing is not the best. I don't really like the interior of the GS too much, so we will be doing some modifications. I want to get the GS 430 seats for the front and the back. I also broke this right here. I don't know how. I think something came out. This right here, this ended up happening. I don't know how. I put the keys in there, I closed it, and then that happened. And then when I first got this car, it smelled like horrible doty, so I had to fucking spray this in it every day. That was horrible, but the interior is really shitty. I don't like it that much, so we're gonna be upgrading it. Black carpet, black headliner. This thing does have a little sunroof on it, so I like that. We're gonna do black seats, all that. I want to blacken out the interior, do tint, make this thing look a whole lot better than it does right now. Another modification that I'd really want to do is get an Alibaba set of BBSs. The LMR BBSs from Alibaba, they basically come how they look from BBS, and they cost a fraction of the price, so I'm going to do it. I really don't care about having reps. And I don't think I mentioned this yet, but I only got this GS300 for 3,100 bucks, and it was well worth it. One of the best 3,100 bucks that I ever spent. It's not the best daily driver because it is a 20-year-old car and it does 20-year-old things, but you know, it was pretty good. The 19-year-old that had it before me, he was pretty good at maintaining the car, even though he didn't have it for that long. He did oil changes, he took it to the dealership, got it inspected, did what he needed to do. So I do commend him on that, but there is things that still needs to be done to this thing. But if you guys like this type of content and you guys want to see more 2JZ videos, we're going to be doing a lot. So you guys go ahead, subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys want to see. Give me some suggestions on stuff that I should do, some body kit modifications I should do, some turbos, turbo kits. Should I go with CX Racing? I need all that information. So if you guys have it, let me know down below. I'll talk to you beautiful people later. Y'all have a beautiful day. Bye.